Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Google Drive to Google Colab. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to link your Google Drive to a Colab notebook so you can access files directly from your drive while working in Colab. This is especially useful if you want to open datasets, save notebooks, or work with files without uploading them manually each time. To begin, open the Welcome to Colab page in your browser. This is the main Colab workspace, and it's where you can manage notebooks and connect external storage like Google Drive. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to look over the interface so you can easily follow the next steps. Next, move to the left side navigation panel and click the folder icon. This opens the file browser inside Colab. The file browser lets you view the current session's files and also gives you access to storage options, including Google Drive. If the sidebars collapse, just expand it and then select the folder icon. After that, click the option to mount Drive. This tells Colab that you want to connect your Google Drive to the current notebook session. Mounting Drive means your Drive contents will become available inside Colab as a file directory, making it much easier to read from or save to your own storage. Once you choose to mount Drive, Colab will provide a cell with the required command. Go ahead and click the play button on that cell to run it. Running the cell starts the connection process. You may see a prompt asking for permission, which is normal whenever Colab needs access to your Google Drive. When the prompt appears, click the option to connect Google Drive. This will open the authorization flow so you can allow Colab to access your Drive files for this session. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. After authorization is complete, your Drive should appear in the file browser, and you'll be able to browse folders and files directly from Colab. If you don't see your Drive right away, give it a few seconds and refresh the file view if needed. Also keep in mind that this connection is typically tied to the current session, so you may need to repeat the process in a new session later. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Drive to Google Colab, making it much easier to manage files and work more efficiently in your notebook environment.